Today we have L'Oreal and Fenty Pressed Powder Foundation. My right will be your left when watching this video. There'll be Fenty. My left, which will be your right when watching this video, will be L'Oreal. The shade for the L'Oreal is Copper 365. The shade for the Fenty is 420. This puff for the L'Oreal, and I'm just going to swipe it on. I will take a brush and dust it off after I'm finished. Today's item is I will not let my past hold me back. I will not let my past hold me back. L'Oreal 365 Copper. My left, your right. I'm using this purple puff for the Fenty. I have a foundation playlist, powder foundation playlist. Please go check it out and see all the different powders I have used on this channel in the last 6.5 years. I have tried different ones to see which one I like. I also did a top favorite also in that playlist. I also have a liquid foundation playlist that have liquid and cream foundations, cream to powder foundations. Play a playlist and check them out. Fenty on my right, which will be your left. I'm going to dust it off. This is an e.l.f. brush. That's an ice cream box brush. I'm going to do the L'Oreal side. Fenty, right here, my right, your left. L'Oreal, my left, your right. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me which one you like or if they look the same. And also, do you have any of these pressed powder foundations? Do you plan to get any of them? And if you do decide to get one, which one would you get? Again, remember today's item. I use my past to strengthen me. I use my past to strengthen me. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Always, always know that you're precious in the sight of God. Please remember to hype this video, share it with someone else, and until I see you and you see me, stay blessed. Stay blessed. Bye. Fenty. L'Oreal.